उत्कल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स आमर वर्तमान शाखार सभापति आदरणीय डॉक्टर प्रबोध महांती महाशय, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आज कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित थिबा समस्त सज्जन वृंद, आज जो महानुभव मानक जो बंधु मानक आज ये सम्मानित करा जीवो, से प्रकार सम्मानित होगापी थिबा बंधुगण, अन्य अतिथि अभ्यागत बंधु माने तथा मीडिया जगत सबू भाई और भौणी माने, व्यक्तिगत रूपे मो एक सुअवसर मकर संक्रांतिर प्रथम संध्यार आप समस्त को ओडिशार प्रबुद्ध जन को ओडिशार बिजनेस जगतर सबू इम्पोर्टाट लोक मान एकाठी मत गोटे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया अवसर देला शुभेच्छा जणाइवाई। आज आम भारतीय सभ्यतार मकर संक्रांति एक पवित्र दिन, वर्ष आरंभ, सबू शुभ काम आज परठू ही आरंभ हुए। आज भाया दिन में टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया मंच आसिक मु निजको अत्यंत प्रसन्नित प्रफुल्लित अनुभव करुच्ची। आप समस्त को मकर संक्रांति अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा। बंधुगण, मु सर्वप्रथम टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को ओडिया समाज तरफ कृतज्ञता जनाऊँ। यही कृतज्ञता जनाऊँ। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया देशर गोटे रेस्पॉन्सिबल मीडिया हाउस, केवल खबर प्रकाश नुहे समाज भितर थिबा प्रतिभा मानकू सामना को आनिकी लोक मानक आगे प्रशंसित करवा। कहीं किसी भल काम करले ता मन आहुरी बढ़े जितेबाला ताको सार्वजनिक रूपे स्वीकृति दि जाए, ताको प्रशंसा करा जाए। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया मोर ओडिशार 15-20 जन उद्यमी मानक तांकर सफलता पाई सार्वजनिक मंच रे सम्मानित करबा पाई जो अवसर कर ओडिशा तरफ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को कृतज्ञता जनाऊँ, धन्यवाद जनाऊँ। निश्चित रूपे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया एक सुविचारित पद्धति माध्यम ओडिशार किछि प्रोमिनिएंट प्रोमिसिंग एंटरप्राइज गुड़ी को सामना को आनी। बंधुगण, गत वर्ष जितेबाला माननीय प्रधानमंत्री 15 अगस्त रे लाल किला भाषण देले, बहुत वे मुझे प्रकार मोर स्मृति रे मुझे दाबी भी कहले अत्युक्ति हम नहीं। बोधे भारतर प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री जे कि लाल किला कहले मु वेल्थ क्रिएटर मानक विशेष करके न्यू जेनेरेशन रो वेल्थ क्रिएटर मानक आह्वान करुच्ची से माने आगू बढ़ंतु, मु तांका संगे ठिया है। यूजुअली पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप बिजनेस को प्रमोट करे, बिजनेस को पसंद करे, किंतु खोला खोली भावे बिजनेस संगे आइडेंटिफाई हवा, बिजनेस संगे ठिया हवा कहवा, लाल किला कहवा, विशेष कर यंगस्टर्स मान को कहवा जे आपण मैंने आगे बढ़ंतु, मु वेल्थ क्रिएटर मान को मो द्वारा जहाँ हम साहाय्य करी। भारतर समय बदली, भारत आज पृथ्वीर 4th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी, आम इकोनॉमी साइज अधा हाँपाई आम जो साइज आज अच्छा ये साइज अधा हाँपाई आमको 47 to 14% लगे, तार ठीक डबल हेले आम गत 10 वर्ष। यहीटा कहबार उद्देश्य वर्तमान समय अनेक फैक्टर अच्छे, अनेक फैक्टर अच्छे, कि बड़ फैक्टर है समय। आज जो भाया जियो पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशंस अच्छी, जो भाया टेक्नोलॉजी डिस्ट्रप्शन दुनिया है, जो भाया एस्पिरेशनल सोसाइटी आगू बढ़ु, समस्त को सब पब्लिक पॉलिसी, सब पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप, सब गवर्नेंस लोक मैंने सब स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट मान गोटे प्रायोरिटी को भाया भाव आम जॉब क्रिएट करवा। जॉब क्रिएट सब समस्यार ज्यादा अबंडेंस ऑफ जॉब इज आंसर ऑफ मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स। यही समय जॉब सीकर और जॉब क्रिएटर ये भितर गोटे बैलेंस तैयारी करने जो समाज जॉब क्रिएटर और जॉब सीकर मान बैलेंस कर समाज इकोनॉमिक फंडामेंटल्स गुड़ ठीक हम। भारत आज निरंतर भाव विगत दिन में गोटे जियो पॉलिटिकल चैलेंजेस कहली 3-4 वर्ष तले आमको कोविड रो सामना करबा पड़ला। कोविड गोटे नेचुरल कैलामिटी थिला, से नेचुरल कैलामिटी विश्वर अनेक अर्थनीतिर फंडामेंटल्स बदलैला स्ट्रक्चर को भांगीदेला से इकोनोमी गुड़िक आउ थे अंटा सलैकी ठिया बड़ा आह्वान अच्छी कि सब भितर भी भारत जो कारण गुड़िक मुझे कहली समय युव शक्ति भारत आज पृथ्वी सबुठ अधिका युवक माने रोहुतवा देश भारत आस्पिरेशन विशेषकर जो नियो मिडिल क्लास जो आस्पिरेशन जो क्वालिटी ऑफ लिविंग इज ऑफ लिविंग आस्पिरेशन पाठ पढ़ा भलरे रहा संपन्न हाँपाई ये गुड़िक आग संकोचर विषय थी आज ये गुड़िक प्रायोरीटी विषय है आज समस्ते ताको मिसिक सेलिब्रेट कर अर्थनीति आज ये अवस्था अच्छे आम स्टार्टअप इकोनॉमी रे पृथ्वी रे एक अग्रणी इकोनॉमी भाव आम इनोवेशन इंडेक्स रे भारतर स्टैंडर्ड्स प्रति वर्ष बढ़ू भारत रे डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन रे आज पृथ्वी रे जदि 100 टंका पृथ्वी तमाम ट्रांजैक्शन होचे तार 50 टंका केवल भारत रे होचे भारत डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन पृथ्वी पाई इंस्पिरेशन है भारत टैलेंट पूल आज विश्वर पुंजी है भारत पर्सपेक्टिव कोचा ओडिशा कोड़ी ठिया ओडिशा भी आगू बढ़ी कहीं भी राज्य बाहर लोक ओडिशा आसुची ओडिशा रे किछि समय बिताउची ओडिशा रे किछि काम करूची ता मन भीतर गोटे पॉजिटिव साइड नेकी पॉजिटिव फीलिंग नेक जाउची ओडिशा गोटे फ्यूचर राज्य ओडिशा गोटे पॉसिबिलिटी राज्य ओडिशा गोटे पॉजिटिव राज्य ये कौन सामाजिक विवाद नहीं भारतवर्ष अनेक राज्य रे आंचलिकवाद विभिन्न रूप अच्छे ओडिशा रे सेगुड़िक नहीं ओडिशा रे मिनरल रिसोर्स अबंडेंस अच्छी ओडिशा रे पानी रो कौन अभाव नहीं ओडिशा रे फर्टाइल लैंड रो कौन अभाव नहीं ओडिशा रे काम करवा लोक मानकर अभाव नहीं ओडिशा रे क्वालिटी मैनपावर अभाव नहीं ये सबू कारण गुड़िक जो ओडिशा आज तार फंडामेंटल्स को हाथ में रखी विशेष करके दुईटा सेक्टर रे ओडिशा भलो करिछि मिनरल रिसोर्स आधारित इंडस्ट्री भलो करिछि तार वैल्यू चेन रे भलो करिछि आज ओडिशा भारत वर्षर स्टील प्रोड्यूसिंग हब है भारत एल्युमिनियम प्रोड्यूसिंग हब है भारत थर्माल पावर जेनरेशन गोटे हब है ओडिशा भारत पोर्ट गुड़िक भितर ओडिशार पोर्ट गुड़िकर टर्न अराउंड टाइम ओडिशार नेचुरल पॉसिबिलिटी कारण अधिका हो ये सब ओडिशा गोटे बेटर पोजिशन रखी सब सोसाइटी गोटे टाइम लाइन थाए गोटे फेज थाए आज मत लगुच ओडिशा जो ढंग से भारत वर्षर एंटायर इंडस्ट्रियल एंड इकोनॉमिक मैप निजक ठिया कर समय भारत ओडिशा को किसी नुआ एरिया को एक्सप्लोर करने पड़ो जोटा अन्य अंचल तुलनात्मक कम अच्छी यदि मुझे दुई तीन सेक्टर कथा आज आपण मान उल्लेख करी मत के लगे ओडिशा बेसिक मटेरियल तो बनैला आयरन ओर रु आम स्टील बनैले कि आम स्पेशलिटी स्टील एपर्यंत बनैला आम पाखे अबंडेंस ऑफ क्रिटिकल मिनरल अच्छे ओडिशार उपकूल अंचल रे पर्याप्त मात्रा क्रिटिकल मिनरल ओडिशार जो माइनिंग हो भितर दीटी पेपर स्टडी करुली आयरन ओर टेलिंग रु कौन हो पार बक्साइट टेलिंग रु कौन हो पार जे केबे कोरापुट जिला को जाइथिबे किबा केबे खबर कागज रे पढ़िथिबे कोरापुट जिलार रेड मन गोटे 1000 से एल्युमिना तैयारी करबा परे जो लेफ्ट ओवरटा रही जाउची एबे मु किछि दिन तळे से पेपर रे पढ़िली सेमीकंडक्टर दुनियार हाई डेंसिटी हाई पावर कंटेंट किए करि परिबो सिलिका तो करूची किंतु गैलियम तार सब उपयुक्त कैरियर मटेरियल आईसी बेंगलुरु तार प्रेजेंटेशन देखुले बुझुले तो पचारे यहाँ गैलियम टा कौटू आसे गैलियम टा आसे बक्साइट वेस्ट पर मु माइंस डिपार्टमेंट क्रिटिकल मिनरल मिशन है संगे कथबार्ता करके नालको संगे कथबार्ता करके आम गोटे इनिशिएटिव नेलु कोरापुट अंचल रे गोटे गैलियम बनेवा गैलियम एक्सट्रैक्शन करने बक्साइट टेलिंग रु तार व्यवस्था कर गोटे कहवाई उद्देश्य कली ओडिशा जी मिनेराल रिसोर्स अच्छी आयरन ओर कोयला बक्साइट मैंगनीज एगुड़िकर माइनिंग एक्सप्लोरेशन माइनिंग प्रोडक्शन तार बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल तैयारी ओडिशा तार उपलब्धि करला टाइम आसी आमको तार वैल्यू एडिशन करने ओडिशा औद्योगिक समूह जो मैंने आपण मैंने बसुँच आपण मान आज समय उपयोग कर जदि आम स्पेशलिटी मेटेरियल बनेवा स्पेशलिटी स्टील बनेवा तेबे आम ये अधिका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इकोसिस्टम को आनीपर ओडिशा एत स्टील और अलुमिनियम अच्छे ऑटोमेटिव ना ये स्पेशलिटी स्टील वैल्यू एडिशन लेयर्स ना आज समय अच्छी से विषय चिंता करें आम पाखे सब उपलब्ध अच्छे ओडिशा मुझे ओडिशा सेकेंड इंपोर्टेंट फैक्टर है एटिकार टैलेंट पूल आमर भुवनेश्वर गोटे क्लस्टर ऑफ टैलेंट अच्छे मु जो अंचल को आज प्रतिनिधित्व कर संबलपुर 6टा यूनिवर्सिटी संबलपुर भाया गोटे सहर अच्छे पूरा आज यूनिवर्सिटी गंगाधर मेहर यूनिवर्सिटी संबलपुर यूनिवर्सिटी बुर्ला मेडिकल कॉलेज बुर्ला पुराना इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज जोटा भीसुट ना अच्छी ओडिशा ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी संबलपुर अच्छी ओडिशा आईआईएम टा संबलपुर अच्छी भुवनेश्वर संबलपुर दुईटी आइलैंड दुईटी एयरपोर्ट पाखे अच्छी जोटा ग्लोबल टैलेंट पूल को तैयारी कर पार आमको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री तैयारी करबा पई पड़ो आमको नॉलेज बेस्ड इकोनॉमी को जीवा पई पड़ो ए भीतर ओडिशा सरकार का प्रचेष्टा रे भारत सरकार का इनिशिएटिव कारण आमे आईआईटी पाखरे गोटे बड़ सेमीकंडक्टर क्लस्टर तैयारी कर से सेमीकंडक्टर रे केवल गोटे दुईटी फैक्ट्री लगभग तार बड़ इकोसिस्टम तैयारी हम ता संगे एआई आसला एआई गेम चेंजर मत लगे मेडिटेक रे हो एग्रीटेक रे हो कि ओडिशा भले राज्य जो अनेक संभावना अच्छी टूरिज्म रे आज गोटे खबर कागज ओडिशा सरकार का नुआ पॉलिसी विज्ञापन बाहरी विशेष करके टूरिज्म सेक्टर रे गत कैबिनेट रे कौन कौन सुविधा दिया बहुत ओडिशा प्रथम थर करके एते बड़ इंसेंटिव ओडिशा रो भारत वर्ष अन्य राज्य को तुलना करा जाए टूरिज्म सेक्टर एते बड़ इम्प्यूट सब्सिडी देबा पई जाउची रिबेट देबा पई जाउची जो उद्योगपति बंधु मान एठी अछंती मु आपनको निवेदन करबा पई चाहूछी आपको रोल को एक्सपैंड करबा पई आपको रोल को रिफोकस करबा पई पड़ियो ओडिशा रे हमको रोजगार दरकार हमको सृजन दरकार हमको क्रिएटिविटी दरकार ये बहुत टैलेंट अच्छे ये रॉ मटेरियल अच्छे ये टैलेंट पूल अच्छे या को नहीं 21st सेंचुरी रे अपन नॉलेज बेस्ड इकोनॉमी मैन्युफैक्चर बेस्ड इकोनॉमी जार गोटे एक्सपोजर पोर्ट कारण ग्लोबल मार्केट संगे ये गुड़िकर गोटे नुआ रचना आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को विजन रे पूर्वोदय आम कल्पना कर भारत वर्षर पखापाखि 40 भाग लोक बिहार झारखंड ओडिशा छत्तीसगढ़ बंगाल ये अंचल को लेकिन भारत सरकार प्रथम थर कर पूर्वोदय विजन दे मत के लगे पूर्वोदय केंद्र बिंदु ओडिशा ओडिशार पोर्ट ओडिशार नॉलेज कैपेसिटी ओडिशार रिसोर्स या जदि गोटे भल संयोजन करा पश्चिम भारत भाया दक्षिण भारत भाया नुआ नुआ लेयर्स आम तैयारी आज टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया रे ये उत्सव रे जो बंधु माने उपलब्धि पे आज सम्मानित हेबे सांगे पछरे जो महानुभव मान अच्छा ओडिया समाज तरफ अपील करने चाहूँगी जे आपण मानू मत आनंद आसो जदि 5-7-8 वर्ष पर केबे आपण मानू ऑटोमेटिव्स मैन्युफैक्चर आज टाटा मोटर्स आमर स्पॉन्सर है टाटा मोटर ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री बसो आपण मैंने तार एनसिलराइजेशन वैल्यू चेन तैयारी कर ये भारत में एविएशन इंडस्ट्री बहुत बड़ हाँपाई जाऊँ भारत में निजर एरोप्लेन बनवार कल्पना है आम आम्बिशन ओडिया लोक भाव रखा दरकार एरोप्लेन आम ओडिशा रे बनता कि आम पाखे सब जिनस ये प्रकार आम्बिशन आमर आज ये बिजनेस अवार्ड मंच रे आम भावु बड़ स्वप्न देखिले ही आम बड़ काम करिपरिबा हम ओडिया लोक मानकु आगको नबा पई हेले हम समस्त को विशेष करके प्रबुद्ध समाज जो माने आमे हम ओडिशा तैयारी हमार 10 वर्ष पूर्व एकाठी होइछन आगामी 10 वर्ष ओडिशा पई बहुत महत्वपूर्ण वर्ष हम समस्त को से निज निजर कंट्रीब्यूशन देवा पड़ो पुणी आउ थे आज अध्यक्ष आदरणीय श्री महांती आप समस्त को विशेष करके टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया को कृतज्ञता जनाऊँ आम समस्त को आज पवित्र मकर संक्रांति एकाठी कर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं आप सभी को दरखास्त करता हूं कि एक बार माननीय मंत्री जी के लिए जोर से तालियां बजनी चाहिए। कम ऑन एवरीवन, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। और जैसे सर ने कहा है, हमें यकीन है कि उड़ीसा और भारत विकास और प्रगति की ओर बढ़ती जाएगी। राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर आवर डिग्निटरीज बिफोर वी प्रोसीड टू द अवार्ड्स। एवरीवन, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर यू। Thank you very much, Dr. Prabodh. I'm going to request Prabodh sir to please take a seat in the audience. Please give sir a big round of applause. And I'm going to request Shri Dharmendra sir to please stay back on stage to present the first set of awards. Sir, मैं आपसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि अगले कुछ पुरस्कार आप पेश करें. Ladies and gentlemen, it's awards time. If you all are ready, I want to hear a big round of applause before we start with the Times Business Awards 2026, the 6th edition in Odisha. Are you all ready? Yes, 5 of you are ready. Everyone ready? Come on, let me hear a round of applause, everybody. Thank you very much. Welcome to the Times Business Awards 2026. We're going to be giving out some extremely special awards as the winners come up on stage. Please give them a round of applause. Our first award for today is a very big one. This is the Lifetime Achievement for Enduring Impact in Western Orissa. And let's take a look at who our winner is.
Born on 16th October 1955 in Sambalpur, Shri Jasbir Singh Hura is a self-made visionary whose leadership has shaped Western Odisha's growth across business, infrastructure, hospitality and community institutions. From pioneering Maruti car retail, Sambalpur's first business hotel, duplex housing and integrated township to building award-winning Jazz Honda, his impact is transformative. Equally influential through roles in trade bodies, education and public service. Shri Hura's legacy reflects integrity, foresight and lifelong dedication to Sambalpur and Western Odisha.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the amazing Mr. Jasbir Singh Hura. He has truly championed the cause of Sambalpur in the Chamber of Commerce, Hotel Association, social organizations and so much more. He has dedicated over 2 decades of service to the lovely land of Sambalpur, Odisha and of course our lovely country, India. Please put your hands together for the Lifetime Achievement for Enduring Impact in Western Odisha winner, the amazing Mr. Jasbir Singh Hura. Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much. A round of applause, everybody. Our first award winner for the Times Business Awards, a lifetime achievement, extremely important. Moving into our next award, which is CEO of the Year, Resource Strategy and Transformation. And the winner is...
Mr. Pranab Kumar Bhattacharya has demonstrated outstanding leadership in steering Vedanta's alumina business through strategic transformation and sustained growth. As CEO, he has focused on optimizing resource strategy, driving operational excellence, and integrating sustainability into core business processes. His forward-looking approach, backed by disciplined execution, has strengthened resilience in a complex global environment. By championing innovation, governance, and performance-driven leadership, He has reinforced Vedanta's position as a leader in responsible resource management, setting new benchmarks in industrial transformation and long-term value creation.
Big congratulations to Mr. Pranab Kumar Bhattacharya. He couldn't make it here today, but I'm going to request on behalf of Mr. Pranab, Avantika Chaurasia from Vedanta Lanjigar to please come up on stage and collect the award. A round of applause for Avantika and congratulations to Mr. Pranab Kumar Bhattacharya. Congratulations. Moving into our next award category, and that is Startup of the Year, Strategic Communications and Public Relations Consulting, and the winner is
JB Consulting and Strategies has swiftly established itself as a formidable player in the strategic communications and public relation consulting space. Under the leadership of Dr. Jagdish Chandra Raut, the firm is known for delivering insight-led, outcome-driven communication strategies that enable organizations to build credibility, influence key stakeholders, and enhance brand reputation, with a strong emphasis on governance, approval management, and narrative precision. JB Consulting and Strategies develop structured communication frameworks that promote...
Big congratulations to JB Consulting and Strategies, requesting Dr. Jagdish Chandra Raut, founder and CEO, and team JB Consulting and Strategies to please come up on stage to collect the award. Everyone, a round of applause for Dr. Jagdish and team. Congratulations to JB Consulting and Strategies. Extremely special award indeed. Moving into our next category, which is Pioneering Excellence Economic Strategy, Fiscal Planning and Corporate Advisory. And the award goes to
With over 2 decades of distinguished experience, CA Bidhu Bhushan Nayak stands as a visionary force in economic strategy, fiscal planning, and corporate advisory. A seasoned finance professional, he has played a pivotal role in strengthening Odisha's financial ecosystem through prudent governance, taxation expedience.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for CA Bidhu Bhushan Nayak as he comes up on stage to collect the award. Extremely special. He is winning this award for Pioneering Excellence. The Times Business Awards Odisha 2026. A very coveted award indeed. Receiving it from Dharmendra sir himself is making that even more special. Congratulations to CA Bidhu Bhushan Nayak. Congratulations, sir. Moving into our next award, and this is Diverse Enterprise Leadership of the Year, and the winner is
exemplifies exceptional balance between personal and professional leadership. As a mother and family anchor, she has seamlessly managed responsibilities at home while steering successful enterprises across IT, real estate, consultancy, infrastructure, and renewable energy. Her ability to harmonize family values with boardroom decisions defines her leadership style. As a director across multiple companies, she has driven strategic growth, large-scale IT infrastructure.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the eminent businesswoman, Ms. Baijayanti Sahu, who's on stage to collect the award. Audience ki taraf se taaliyan bajni chahiye. You guys are being very quiet. We've just about started. Fantastic winners on stage. Extremely inspirational to see men and women increase the productivity and the progress of our lovely state of Odisha. And Times Business Awards is a way of recognizing all of them. Our next award is Excellence in Stakeholder Engagement and Inclusive Value Creation, and the award winner is
Jindal Steel Limited stands as a powerhouse of inclusive growth, driven by robust stakeholder engagement and a deep commitment to sustainable value creation. With structured engagement practices involving communities, employees, partners, customers, government bodies, and regulators, the awardee ensures that diverse perspectives shape its strategy and operations, guided by responsible governance.
Big congratulations to Jindal Steel Limited, requesting Mr. Prashant Kumar Hota, President, High Impact Social Development Projects and Head of Corporate Communications, Jindal Steel Limited, to please come up on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Jindal Steel Limited. Congratulations, sir. And from the world of steel, we're moving into a very interesting category, and this is Luxury Diamond Jewelry Brand of the Year, and the winner is on your screen.
Founded in 1936, sharing its birth year with the state of Odisha, Khimji Jewellers carries a legacy as timeless and radiant as the diamonds it presents. What began as a modest endeavor by the late Shri Khimji Dayabhai in Baripada, within the erstwhile royal state of Mayurbhanj, has evolved into Odisha's largest jewelry brand and a leading name in eastern India. Under the third generation stewardship of Mitesh Khimji and Sumit Khimji, the brand now shines across 11 grand...
Ladies and gentlemen, the amazing Khimji Jewellers requesting Mr. Mitesh Khimji, the Managing Director, and Mr. Sumit Khimji, the Director, to please come up on stage and collect the award. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Luxury Diamond Jewelry Brand of the Year, Khimji Jewellers. Mitesh sir has promised one diamond necklace for the lady who screams the loudest and claps the loudest. So please feel free to clap. That's the only way we're going to get ladies to clap. Talking about jewelry. Mitesh sir, don't forget. I see the lovely lady there who should be getting it. Congratulations to Khimji Jewellers. Moving into our next award category, and that is Pioneer of Innovation in Luxury, Hospitality and Tourism. And our winner is...
Dr. Saubhagya Mohapatra, Managing Director of Atmosphere Group of Hotels, is a visionary pioneer in luxury hospitality and tourism. Through inspired leadership,
Congratulations to Dr. Saubhagya Mohapatra, everyone. Please put your hands together for the Managing Director, Atmosphere Group Hotels, Dr. Saubhagya Mohapatra, as he comes up on stage to collect the award. Pioneer of Innovation in Luxury, Hospitality and Tourism. Congratulations, sir. Keep the applause coming, everybody. Congratulations, sir. Moving into our next category, which is Business Person of the Year, and the award goes to...
It is with immense pleasure that we honor Shri Sharat Kumar Sahu, founder and CMD of Stalwart Projects Private Limited, with the Business Person of the Year award. From humble beginnings in Sarsara village to building a trusted real estate powerhouse in Bhubaneswar, his journey reflects vision, perseverance and leadership. Mr. Sahu has played a pivotal role in transforming Odisha's real estate landscape by championing transparency, quality and reliability. Under his guidance,
Congratulations to Mr. Sharat Kumar Sahu, Founder, Chairman and Managing Director, Stalwart Projects Private Limited. Please give sir a round of applause as he comes up on stage. Stalwart Projects Private Limited, the team is here. Give sir a round of applause, everybody. Come on, put your hands together. Congratulations to the entire team. Moving into our next award, which is the #1 school in Odisha. This is a special one. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
Established in 1991, Mothers Public School has evolved from a modest primary school into one of Odisha's most prestigious educational institutions. Located in Bhubaneswar, it nurtures over 2,500 students with the support of 220 dedicated staff members, following NCERT and CBSE guidelines.
Ladies and gentlemen, big congratulations to founder and principal Mothers Public School, Miss Polly Patnaik and Miss Minati Sabat, the managing director of Mothers Public School. Both of them are on stage. Give them a round of applause, everybody. The lovely ladies from Mothers Public School, Unit 1, the #1 school in Odisha. Huge award indeed. I'm sure all the students are well taken care at Mothers Public School. Congratulations to the entire team. And from the best school in Odisha, we're moving into the best IT services provider of the year. And the winner is...
WorkMates Core to Cloud Solution Limited is a cloud and AI-led digital transformation partner, enabling enterprises to modernize, scale, and innovate with confidence. An AWS Premier Tier Services partner, WorkMates delivers secure, resilient, and outcome-driven solutions across cloud migration and modernization, data and AI, cybersecurity, and managed services.
Big congratulations to Mr. Basanta Kumar Rana, co-founder and managing director, WorkMates Core to Cloud Solution Limited. Please put your hands together for the winners. WorkMates Core to Cloud Solution Limited, IT services provider of the year. And as Dharmendra sir said, the future of our state and our country is of course in information technology and AI, and I'm sure WorkMates Core to Cloud is doing their bit to help our state and country progress. Congratulations to WorkMates Core to Cloud. Moving into the next award, which is Real Estate Developer of the Year. And the winner is...
For over 15 years, Acre Rise has emerged as a trusted and enduring real estate brand, driven by a disciplined pursuit of excellence. Built on foresight, optimism, and institutional credibility, the company has earned strong market confidence and long-term stakeholder trust. Today, Acre Rise stands at the forefront of Odisha's real estate transformation, with over 30 lakh square feet under construction and a robust pipeline of 35 lakh square feet, representing a development value.
Big congratulations to Mr. Shashikant Barik, co-founder Acre Rise, and Mr. Sheikh Menajul Haq, the co-founder of Acre Rise. Requesting both of them to come up on stage. Amongst your applause, audience की तरफ से जोर से तालियां बजनी चाहिए शशिकांत जी के लिए और शेख मेनाजुल सर के लिए. Congratulations to our winners. Congratulations to Acre Rise. Well done. I'm sure you're going to have a great year coming up ahead. Moving into our next award category, and that is Pioneering the Future of Global Marine Exports and Innovation. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
Highland Agro-Food Private Limited, under the visionary leadership of Mr. Pratik Jaina, Managing Director, is pioneering the future of India's global marine exports through innovation, scale, and sustainability. Operating from a state-of-the-art processing facility in Balasore, Odisha, the company delivers premium marine produce to global markets, including the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. Driven by a strong farm-to-fork approach, advanced infrastructure, and stringent global quality standards, Highland Agro champions sustainable practices and women-led inclusive growth, positioning itself as a transformative force.
Congratulations to Highland Agro Food Private Limited, requesting Mr. Pratik Jaina, Managing Director, So please come up on stage and collect the award. We've got the young and dashing Pradeep Jain on stage, everyone. Give him a round of applause. Come on, everyone. Thank you very much. A very special award indeed. Winning the Times Business Award 2026, the 6th edition, Highland Agro Food Private Limited. Congratulations to Pradeep and the entire team. Moving into the next award, and this is again in the world of schools. And this award is for the Outstanding Residential School in Odisha. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
This award recognizes an institution that is redefining school education in Odisha through AI-powered innovation and experiential learning. Here, students go beyond textbooks, engage in hands-on discovery, and develop critical thinking in a future-ready residential ecosystem. Spread across 15 acres amidst the pristine surroundings of the Baruni Hills, the campus offers a safe, nurturing, and inspiring home-away-from-home environment. With a strong focus on curiosity, creativity, and holistic development, the school stands among Odisha's finest residential institutions.
Congratulations to KT Global School, Mr. Siddharth Shankar Rao, CEO of KT Global School, and Mrs. Rinku Sarangi, Director Principal. Please put your hands together for Mr. Siddharth and Mrs. Rinku. Congratulations to KT Global School. KT Global team, are you here? Put your hands together then. Come on, clap as loud as you can if you're right at the back. Very good. Congratulations to the KT Global School. Moving into our next award category, and that is for Sustainable Real Estate Innovator of the Year. And our winner is...
Empyrean Space Private Limited, under the leadership of its Managing Director, Mr. Manoj Kar, is redefining the future of real estate in Odisha through sustainability-driven innovation. The awardee integrates green building principles across design, construction, and operations, focusing on energy efficiency, water conservation, sustainable materials, and smart technologies. With a smart commitment to climate-conscious development, Empyrean Space demonstrates that environmentally responsible real estate is both practical and profitable. By
Congratulations to Empyrean Space Private Limited, requesting Mr. Manoj Kar, Managing Director, and team Empyrean Space Private Limited to please come up on stage to collect the award. Congratulations, sir. Everybody, please be generous with your applause. एक बार आपकी तरफ से तालियां बजनी चाहिए एम्पीरियन स्पेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के लिए, हमारे टाइम्स बिजनेस अवार्ड्स के विजेता इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ सस्टेनेबल रियल एस्टेट इनोवेटर ऑफ द ईयर. Congratulations to the team. Moving into our next award, and that is Acknowledged Leader in High Fashion Wedding and Ethnic Wear Retail Excellence, and our winner is...
Established in 1978, Kala Mandir Bhubaneswar is a trusted name synonymous with heritage, quality, and timeless elegance. Celebrated for its exquisite collection of silk, cotton, handloom, and designer saris, Kala Mandir seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary fashion. Renowned as a premier destination for wedding and festive wear, the brand offers curated ensembles for men, women, and children. Guided by strong values of customer trust, ethical practice.
Ladies and gentlemen, आपके तालियों के बीच मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर मैनेजिंग पार्टनर कला मंदिर मिस्टर राजिंदर सिंह. Please give sir a big round of applause. Congratulations, sir. एक बार राजिंदर सिंह के लिए जोर से तालियां बजनी चाहिए. You all know what an amazing work and team he's been putting in. Acknowledged leader in high fashion, wedding and ethnic wear. Everyone knows how popular Kala Mandir is. Please give sir a big round of applause for his entire team. Truly deserving award. Congratulations, sir. Moving into our next award, and the category is number one school in integrated teaching, and the winner is
Jupiter Public School Bhubaneswar has emerged as a benchmark in integrated teaching, redefining holistic education in Odisha, a proud initiative of the Jupiter Group of institutions. The school seamlessly blends CBSE curriculum with structured, expert-led integrated coaching for competitive examinations such as NEET and JEE, with a strong foundation program, personalized mentoring through an optimal...
Congratulations to Jupiter Public School. Please put your hands together for Mr. Biranchi Narayan Panda, the president of Jupiter Group of Institutions, as he comes up on stage. Everybody, keep the applause going. We have a few more awards to go for the night. Jupiter Public School, congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Moving into our next category, and this is a very special one because the award winner is that much more special. Ladies and gentlemen, the category is Trailblazer in Automotive Retail Industry. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
Born in Bhubaneswar in 1970, Rajan Gugnani began his entrepreneurial journey in 1991 under the guidance of his father, late Shri M.L. Gugnani, introducing world-class tire brands to Odisha. Over 4 decades, he built a dominant presence in the auto retail sector. Strategic partnerships with HMSI and Tata Motors enhanced mobility.
Ladies and gentlemen, a true homegrown entrepreneur in his rights, like you all have seen, born and brought up in the beautiful state of Odisha in Bhubaneswar. He is a dynamic personality with positive energy that spreads all across the room. Please put your hands together for the trailblazer in automotive retail industry with a huge round of applause, the one and only Rajan Gugnani. Everyone, give him a round of applause. Congratulations, sir. Moving into our next award category, and that is Distinguished Brand for Quality-Centric Residential Development, and our winner is...
Established in 1990 in Cuttack, Jain Builders...
Congratulations to our winners. Everyone, please put your hands together as they come up on stage. From Jain Builders Private Limited, Mr. Vineet Sethia, Managing Director, and Mr. Suneet Sethia, Director, Jain Builders
Established
Private
in
Limited.
1990 in Cuttack, Jain Builders Private Limited has been shaping trusted homes and vibrant communities for over 3 decades. Founded by late Shri Sushil Kumar Sethia, the brand has delivered quality residences to...
Congratulations to Jain Builders Private Limited. Moving into our next award category, and that is the Rural Power Distribution Performance Beacon. And the winner is...
TP Southern Odisha Distribution Limited, TPSODL, a joint venture of Tata Power and the Government of Odisha, stands as a benchmark in rural power distribution, serving 8 tribal-dominated districts across southern Odisha. TPSODL delivers reliable 24/7 electricity across challenging terrains of hills, forests and remote habitations, leveraging SCADA, GIS mapping and drone surveillance.
Congratulations to Mr. Amit Kumar Garg, the Chief Executive
even
Officer
during cyclones.
of TPSODL, Tata Power Southern Odisha Distribution Limited. Everybody put your hands together for Mr. Amit Kumar Garg. Moving Moving into our next award category, and that is Emerging Boutique Hospitality and Events Destination of the Year, and the winner is
Opened on 25th September 2025, Krishna's Courtyard has rapidly emerged as a landmark celebration destination between Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, spread across a sprawling 62,000 square feet campus. It features 2 grand banquet halls, a serene open lawn, 24 elegant rooms, and a multi-cuisine restaurant with seamless infrastructure.
Congratulations to the team of Krishna Courtyard. On stage we have Mr. Satyajit Mishra and Mrs. Sadhana Satapathy, the partners at Krishna Courtyard. Congratulations to this beautiful venue. Everybody, a round of applause from all of you. Congratulations to Krishna Courtyard and the entire team. Moving into our next award category, and that is Eastern India's leading university for research excellence and industry-ready education. And the winner is
Shiksha O Anusandhan, more popularly known as SOA, has a rich legacy of more than 3 decades. SOA is the fruition of the dream of Professor Dr. Manoj Ranjan Naik, an academician par excellence who was motivated to set up a high-quality center of professional education in Odisha. The multi-campus infrastructure of SOA is home to more than 20,000 students. SOA has 13 institutions imparting education in various disciplines, including engineering and technology.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Professor Pradeepta Kumar Nanda, the Vice Chancellor of Shiksha Anusandhan University, and Miss Shubhadarshini Mishra, the Group PRO of SOA. Congratulations to the entire team of this beautiful university that has won many awards in the past, and they're taking home yet another one, Eastern India's leading university for research excellence and industry-ready education. Congratulations to SOA. Moving into our next award category, and that is Visionary Real Estate Project of the Year with Curated Lifestyle Destination. Let's take a look at who our winner is.
Rising majestically in Patia's most sought-after neighborhood, EVOS Alchemy redefines luxury living as the city's tallest and most iconic residential address. Towering at 42-43 stories, this exclusive gated community is designed by globally renowned architect Sanjay Puri, blending bold form with refined elegance, thoughtfully landscaped by Landscape Tectonics Thailand, and spread across 6.9 acres with over 70% open spaces.
Congratulations to the team of EVOS Alchemy, requesting Mr. Kalinga Keshri Rath, the Managing Director of EVOS Bilcon, to collect this award on behalf of his entire team. Everybody, a round of applause for EVOS Bilcon and EVOS Alchemy in specific. We have one more award which Sir is going to be giving out. Congratulations to EVOS. Moving into our next award category, and that is Advancing India's Land Governance with Trusted GNSS Technology, and our winner is
Ares Technologies is an indigenous manufacturer of high-precision GNSS instruments, empowering India's land governance transformation, supporting the Government of India's Naksha project. The company delivers robust, affordable and reliable positioning solutions to government departments nationwide, aligned with the...
Congratulations, the team of Ares, requesting Mr. Ashutosh Parija, the Head of Business Development, and Mr. Harish Mohanty, Head of Product Development, to please collect the award on behalf of the entire team. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for all our winners so far? The first set of awards is now complete. We had some fantastic winners come up. A round of applause for Dharmendra sir as well. Thank you so much sir for doing the honors. एक बार धर्मेंद्र जी के लिए जोर से तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Come on everyone, put your hands together. सर आपकी इजाजत से मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा. ये इस देश और उड़ीसा के भविष्य के बारे में है और आप इस मंच पर हो तो इस शुभ मौके पर हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना आपसे कुछ बातचीत करें. तो सवाल पूछो सर आपसे.
पहले आपका नाम बताओ.
मेरा नाम अनुज है सर.
अनुज को देखिए मुंडा रुच से कौन कौन पचारियो ताली के तले बजे पूछो पूछो.
ठीक है सर, मैं पूछता हूं आपको. तो सर आपने पूर्वोदय के बारे में बात किया था एंड यू सेड कि द ग्रोथ इंजन फॉर अ डेवलप्ड इंडिया, स्पेशली हाईलाइटिंग ओडिशा स्ट्रेटेजिक पोजीशन एज द गेटवे ऑफ पूर्वोदय विद इट्स पोर्ट्स एंड पाइपलाइन नेटवर्क्स. तो आपके नजरे से देखें तो हाउ डू यू एनविजन ट्रांसलेटिंग द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एडवांटेजेस दैट वी हैव इन आवर स्टेट to translate to economic outcomes for our communities?
As I said, looking into our economy size, now we're around $4+ billion size of economy in our country. We achieved $2 trillion of size of economy from 47 to 14. In last 14 to 25 till now, we have covered another $2 trillion. This is the speed of Indian economy in an infrastructure today. If you go to the reforms, this government, the union government is a reformist government. If you go to the different aspect of reform of government of India, you'll find major beneficiary of these reforms in the eastern part of India. That has been envisioned in last budget by Honorable Finance Minister. Idea given by vision given by Honorable Prime Minister. Unless until you focus on the youth of this nation, where does youth stay? Where do you live? In the eastern part of India, Bihar, Jharkhand, Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Odisha and part of Andhra Pradesh also. This part is full of potential, full of opportunity, full of inspiration, full of aspiration, full of huge legacy, huge heritage value. We have to concentrate on that, and today there is a consensus among this part of the country. We have to move ahead, we have to grow. Government of India and respective state governments, whoever they are unanimous in this point. We have to grow, we have to fill up the national gap, and Eastern India is going to lead us. I am a strong believer of this concept since last 2 decades, and I can visualize, and as I said before, Odisha will be the epicenter of this Purvoday's development.
Thank you so much, sir. Listening to you fills our heart with pride and joy, and you are the true son of Odisha. So thank you so much, sir, for putting us in such a good place. I have one last question for you, sir. There is a very popular electric vehicle mobility movement that's happening. So how do you see the state of Odisha support our EV campaign for the future?
Odisha is a leading state for enabling EV ecosystem in our state. Starting from solar panel manufacture to new solar policy to electric vehicles. There is a lot of incentive from government of Odisha and government of India to promote EVs, but I strongly personally feel EV are the reality of today and also future. But we should not be so conclusive. If you will replace the conventional immersion engine, as immediately it will be gradually the two-wheelers will be replaced through electric vehicles, then small segment cars will replace. Now models are coming in the buses also. Recently few cities are enabled with electric buses also, but looking into our transportation need, EV will play a major role, and Odisha, and we have ambition to manufacture EV vehicles also. Let us see how things are unfolding.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for answering these questions. It was amazing to have you here. I now have someone very special who would like to hand over a token of our appreciation from Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles. Please put your hands together for Zonal Head, Mr. Jaideep Gupte, and Regional